Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn conic sections together, step by step. Slicing a cone at different angles gives the conic sections the circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. We'll learn their standard equations and key features. A circle is all points a fixed distance r from a center. Its equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Centered at the origin, it's simply x squared plus y squared equals r squared. A parabola is the set of points equidistant from a fixed focus and a fixed line, the directrix. A standard one is y squared equals 4ax, with focus at a comma 0. An ellipse is the set of points whose distances to two foci add to a constant. Its standard equation is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. A hyperbola is like an ellipse but with a minus sign. The difference of the distances to two foci is constant. Its standard equation is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. A circle of radius 5 at the origin is x squared plus y squared equals 25. For the parabola, y squared equals 12x. 4a is 12, so a is 3 and the focus is at 3, 0. To recap, the conics are the circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola, each with a standard equation. Watch the signs. Plus for the ellipse, minus for the hyperbola. Well done. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.